Hi, I'm David here with Beth. Today we're here to talk about something that's often overlooked, door security when you travel. Because sometimes locking the door just isn't enough.
Tell me a little bit more why it's not enough and what I can do to help that.
Well, I think that the number one bigger issue is that you're in situations where people have a key that you don't know, whether that's the maintenance, someone that works in that specific facility, owns the facility, cleaning facility, all those things. Other people have that. You want to keep those people out. So this is solid stainless steel. It's 6 to 7 times stronger than a standard lock, giving you that protection, that security when you sleep.
I travel a lot with my family, the beach, amusement parks, and so forth. And sometimes you're in an Airbnb or a hotel where maybe I don't feel super safe and secure. So I can add this to my door. Now we'll have the standard lock that I lock, and then I also have this, and I put this on the handle, just giving me a little bit extra protection.
And the best part about it, it's just so easy to use. So you slide this latch right into that door frame. You close the door, you press this button, it locks up against that door, and you're set, right? And when you want to leave in the morning and exit that door, you just simply press that button, slides backwards, you open the door, you take this off, and away you go. When you leave, the size, you can actually put this in your pocket. I mean, look how small that guy is. If you go to the original compact portable door lock from Sabre, this is half the size, weighs less than half a pound. And like I mentioned, it can fit in a pocket. It's TSA friendly. It's just a very, very practical product, that travel door lock. Comes with a little travel bag to make it even more practical when you're out and about. Would you gift this to someone?
I have a niece who's going to start college, and she, it's new surroundings, new people, unfamiliar spaces, and this could be something that, I could get to her as a, welcome to college and getting ready and prepared, because, not always do they think about those things, and it'll help give me a little bit ease of peace of mind knowing that she's at least has a little bit of extra protection when she's, returning to her dorm at night.
Safety and security is a perfect gift, and we're all about making it practical ways to protect people here at Sabre. So make it safe with Sabre.